Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Brilliance to make the picture look richer and more vibrant in iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open Photos app and then open a photo and then click on Edit. Now go to Vibrance and after going to Vibrance go to Brilliance and then swipe left or right to increase or decrease brilliance. So that's how you can use Brilliance to make the picture look richer and more vibrant. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.